Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen Gnome. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off with the curve for the top of the head. Now on both sides, let's bring it up and curve it down for the ears. Now let's continue drawing the shape of the body by curving each side down and out. And then a large curve across at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw a curve down and back up in the center. And the same thing on the right and on the left. Now let's leave a gap and hop down and let's draw two curves down and out for the mouth. And another curve underneath. Next, for the eyes, let's add a circle on both sides. And color them both in black. Now top out and let's draw two curves going outwards for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve across. Then underneath this line, let's draw a curve down and back up on an angle, and the same on the right side. Now underneath, let's add another set of bumps down, and then two more at the bottom. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now for the bottom, let's move down and let's draw a curve underneath. Then hop inside and let's draw two curves up for the feet. Now let's hop to the top and we're going to draw the hat by drawing two angles up, meeting at a point. And then add a circle on top. And that's it for this cute Pusheen Gnome. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!